Gently use the weight of your hands to guide the chin down, feeling the length in the back of the neck. Imagine your shoulder blades are sliding down into your back pockets as you open the chest. Breathe into the sides of your body, feeling the ribs expand against your palms. Look over your shoulder as if you're trying to see your tail, stretching the side of the neck. Let the weight of your head be heavy here, releasing any tension in the jaw or the neck. Inhale, peel the left elbow open toward the sky, focusing the movement in the upper back. Keep the left hand pressing firmly into the mat as you open the right side. We're just moving the shoulder blades here, sink down, then push up and broaden. Find that sweet spot at the back diagonal of the neck and just breathe into it. Be very gentle here, just shifting a little weight to stretch the wrists. Walk the hands out and melt your heart toward the earth, resting your forehead down. Press the floor away, feeling strong through the upper back and the backs of the knees. Give the wrists a little shake, letting go of any effort or tension. Open the arms into a cactus shape, drawing the shoulder blades together and down. Find your eagle arms and lift the elbows slightly, feeling that deep opening in the upper back. Push the palms forward and round the spine, looking down toward your heart. Lion's breath is great for letting go of tension in the face and the throat. Now reverse those circles, rolling the shoulders forward to see how that feels in the back body. One last twist to each side, just finding a little more space with the breath. Find a little bit of traction, creating space between the vertebrae and the neck. Find a little weight in the head as you breathe into the left side of the neck. Squeeze them up and then just let them go with a big sigh. Draw the elbows back and down, feeling the heart lift and the shoulder blades squeeze together. Imagine each vertebra moving one by one as you find this fluid motion. Gently lean back a fraction of an inch to feel the stretch in the inner forearms. Reach up, keeping the hips square to the floor so the twist stays in your upper back. Inhale to open, and as you exhale, place the hand back down with control. Inhale, reach the right fingertips up, finding a long line from hand to hand. Reach through the left fingertips and imagine someone is gently pulling your arm away. Think of your shoulder blades as two elevators moving up and down on your back. Draw the chin back to align the ears over the shoulders, correcting that forward head posture. Press the floor away and broaden through the upper back, feeling the strength of your foundation. Spin the eyes of the elbows forward to broaden across the upper back and give your neck more room. Let the head hang heavy, allowing the weight of the brain to decompress the neck. Find some organic movement here, just greasing the wheels of the wrists. Take a moment here to balance the energy with a few rounds of alternate nostril breath. Lead with the eyes
and the body will often follow, finding just a little more depth.
Like a pendulum, just letting the head be heavy and move with ease. Lion's breath is perfect for releasing stress held in the jaw and the throat. Now roll them the other way, exploring any different sensations in the upper back. Find a little more space between the ears and the shoulders as you lift.
Slide the chin forward, then draw it back, finding a little massage for the base of the skull. Make these circles as big or as small as you need, just warming up the shoulders. Find a little wave in the spine here, letting the movement be soft and fluid. Lift and drop, feeling the weight of the arm help release the tension. Just letting the head hang heavy and drawing a few circles in space while we're in tabletop. Imagine you're trying to touch the side walls with your ribs, finding some space in the mid-back. No pulling, just the weight of the hand can help provide a deeper release. Shake it out, letting all that energy move through the fingertips. Keep the head tilted and just move the eyes to look up, finding a deeper release in those tiny neck muscles. Interlace the fingers behind you and gently draw the shoulder blades together to open the heart. Just taking these slow half moon shapes with the head, tracing the collarbone with the chin. Squeeze them up and then just let it all go with a big sigh. We're just moving the shoulder blades here, sink the heart down, then push the mat away. Slide that left arm through, resting on the shoulder and the temple, and breathe into the twist. Slowly press back up to center, take a breath, and reset your hands under your shoulders. Give the wrists a little love now, rotating one way and then the other. Really push into the palms to puff up the back of the heart, drawing the chin to the chest. Look down toward the floor to find a different line of stretch along the left side of the neck. Inhale, lift the chest and look up, letting the hands support the weight of the head. Be very gentle here, just finding a soft stretch for the tops of the wrists. Walk the hands to the right, feeling that big opening through the left side of the body. Inhale to open, exhale to close, moving with the rhythm of your own breath. Keep the hips and shoulders as steady as you can while you tap, engaging the core. Open the arms into a cactus shape, drawing the shoulder blades together to lift the heart. Reach those left fingertips away to feel the stretch all the way from the ear to the hand. Push the palms forward and look down toward your heart, broadening the back. Lion's breath is a great way to clear out any stagnant energy and tension in the face. Take a moment of stillness here to notice how your neck and upper back feel now. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you back on the mat very soon. Find a little wave in the spine, letting the movement be soft and rhythmic. Lift and drop one at a time, finding some freedom in the shoulder joints. Just letting the head be heavy and swaying it gently from side to side in tabletop.